breaking update that is now coming in from Rourkela. What we are reporting of a small aircraft having crashed in Raghunathpally area near Jalda A block. What is now being said that 6 people have been injured in this incident. This was a 9-seater aircraft and was flying from Rourkela to Bhubaneswar and reportedly met with an accident around 10 kilometers after takeoff. More details, however, are awaited as pictures are coming in. And however, for now, there doesn't seem to be any report of any casualty being reported. But there were at least 6 people who have been reportedly injured in this incident that has been reported as the plane has crashed into an open field. And this was a 9-seater aircraft that was flying from Rourkela to Bhubaneswar and reportedly met with an accident around 10 kilometers after takeoff. So it is not clear as to what exactly led to this incident. Was it an engine failure or technical failure of any kind, and how many people were on board this aircraft? We'll be getting you more information on that. But at least 6 people were on board this 9-seater aircraft, and 6 of those people have received injuries. However, now there are not any reports or confirmed reports of any casualties being reported. सतीश हमारे साथ जुड़ गए. सतीश, जान माल का कोई नुकसान अगर ये जो 9-सीटर छोटा सा प्लेन बताया जा रहा है जिसका क्रैश हुआ है, और उसके पीछे भी क्या वजह बताई जा रही है क्रैश की?
देखिए, ये जो एयरक्राफ्ट थी इंडिया वन एयर की 9 सीटों वाली थी जो भुवनेश्वर से राउरकेला जा रही थी. तब अचानक जब टेक्निकल इशू आया, तुरंत जो पायलट थे उसको रनवे की 10 किलोमीटर पहले उसको लैंड करने की कोशिश की और लैंड भी करे. ये राउरकेला रघुनाथपल्ली की जो ए ब्लॉक है उसके पास ये उसको एक फील्ड में उसको लैंड कराई और उसमें 6 लोगों की अभी उसमें 7 लोग पायलट को मिलाकर 7 लोग सवार थे. 6 लोग इंजर्ड.
Well, as far as when it comes to this entire incident is also concerned, the Chief Minister has also expressed his message and has said that he is deeply saddened to learn about this plane crash in Rourkela, and he says that it is reassuring to hear that all of the passengers are safe, and he's directed that the injured in this incident be provided with the best medical care, and he is personally monitoring with the situation that has now been reported of this crash. 6 people reportedly have been injured in this small plane crash incident.